हेलो एवरीवन, आप सबका स्वागत है आपके अपने चैनल अर्स क्लासेस में। सो बेसिकली आज का हम लोग का टॉपिक आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा होगा, व्हाट यू विल गेट। यू आर राइट, आपको आज के वीडियो में क्या मिलेगा वो बेसिकली आप लोग को यहाँ पे देखना है, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आज आपको क्या मिलेगा। ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये आपका जो है वो इंटायर आपका पढ़ने का तरीका जो है वो चेंज कर सकता है। आपको किस तरीके से पढ़ना चाहिए प्लस क्या क्या पढ़ना चाहिए वो सारा चीज। सो चलिए देखते हैं हम लोग कि किस तरीके से बेसिकली क्या कुछ होगा, क्या आपको मिलेगा इस वीडियोस में, राइट। तो सबसे पहला, हाउ यू कैन स्कोर मोर देन 90 परसेंटाइल इन क्वांट सेक्शन इन कैट। राइट, कैट में आपको 90 परसेंटाइल से ज्यादा आप कैसे लेकर के आ सकते हैं क्वांट सेक्शन में, वो आपको यहाँ पे सीखने के लिए मिलेगा, ठीक है, इसमें एंड आपके आने वाले वीडियोस में, राइट। दूसरा पॉइंट क्या है आपके पास, गाइडेंस हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट क्वेश्चंस। हर एक क्वेश्चंस को अटेम्प्ट करने का अपना एक यूनिक तरीका होता है, ठीक है। आपको वो एक यूनिक तरीका आपको सीखने के लिए मिलेगा कि किस तरीके से क्वेश्चंस को, पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चंस को अटेम्प्ट करना चाहिए, सो दैट टाइम भी कम हमारा लगे और हम क्वेश्चंस को सही भी सॉल्व कर सके। थर्ड पॉइंट क्या है हमारा, फुल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ईच टॉपिक। जितने भी टॉपिक्स मैं आपको यहाँ पे पढ़ाऊंगा उन सब का कंप्लीट कॉन्सेप्ट दूंगा। ऐसा नहीं कि 2 या 4 क्वेश्चंस पढ़ाया और उसके बाद छोड़ दिया, नो, कंप्लीट कॉन्सेप्ट of each and every topic, of each and every questions that I will discuss here, right. Now the fourth one is approximately 365 to 390 questions I will be discussing ओनली ऑन अर्थमेटिक। शो गाइज, ये सिर्फ अर्थमेटिक का मैं बता रहा हूँ कि अर्थमेटिक में आपको कम से कम 365 टू 390, एक्चुअली ये 400 क्वेश्चंस तक चला जाएगा आपका डेफिनेटली। रफली मैंने एक लिखा है कि अप्रोक्सीमेटली 365 टू 390 क्वेश्चंस एंड दैट इज 400 even also is the minimum. If you require the more, I will discuss the more questions on arithmetic portions also, because this is basically the main area in cat. What we can say is around 60% the questions come from this topic, arithmetic. That means what, अगर 60% that is the major, right. 50% से ज्यादा अगर कोई एरिया कवर करता है किसी भी पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्स में, अगर वो आपका स्ट्रांग हो गया, दैट मीन्स what डेफिनेटली आप क्रैक कर सकते हैं। बिकॉज 50% मार्क्स अगर हम लेकर के आते हैं तो गुड परसेंटाइल लेकर के आते हैं वहां पे। तो अगर 60% हम जो है वो कि कोई एक एरिया कवर कर लेते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली हम बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं क्वांट सेक्शंस में, राइट। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्या मिलेगा आपको, minimum 36 to 37 hours lectures of arithmetic. Only on arithmetic you will get 36 to 37 hours of lectures, and that is also the minimum I have mentioned here. That means what, you can even get the more than 36 37 hours, right. It may be 40 or 45 50 hours, right. But the minimum that you will get on arithmetic sections only, that will be 36 to 37 hours. That is fixed, definitely you will get this, right. What is the next? So first chapter is simple equations. So now let's say in simple equations, the basic is what, we have the questions in 1 2 and 3 variables questions, right. Maybe we have the questions on x, depending on x only, or maybe x and y, or maybe the questions on x, y and z. So how to solve such type of questions, that I will discuss. That is the basic of the simple equations, right. After that I will discuss here is the fraction based questions, like changing in numerator and denominator, right. Sometimes we find the questions, let's say the ratio of numerator and denominator of a number is, let's say, 5 by 3. When we change something, when we add plus 2 or when we do minus subtract, and we got, let's say, suppose 4 by 2 or something. So these type of questions basically we will discussing in the fraction based questions, right. The next, age based questions. This is very much important because most of the students face difficulty in the age based questions, right. And what I think, this is the very simplest topic in arithmetic portions, right. But the questions comes from the age related, right. So this is also the important also, right. Easy as well as important. The next is 2 or 3 digit related problem. That means what, sometimes we have the questions based on, let's say, any 2 digit number. Suppose if I say the 23, what is the sum of the digit, that is 2 plus 3, and difference of the digit is 3 minus 2. So the questions based on this, right. So such type of questions we will be discussing, that the sum of the digits is, let's say it is given that the 5 and the difference of the digit is given, that is 1. So what will be that 2 digit number, or what will be that 3 digit number if the question based on 3 digits. So that we will be discussing here, right. and that is also for the 50 questions we will be discussing here, right? So total how much questions? Approximately 50, and that is the minimum. What I'm saying is the minimum 50 questions we will be discussing only on simple equations, right? सिंपल इक्वेशंस के टोटल जो है वो हम लोग 50 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे एंड टोटल टाइम ड्यूरेशन क्या होगा गाइस? दैट विल बी मिनिमम ऑफ 4 आवर्स. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? जहाँ पे आपको कोचिंग क्लासेस में और अदर आप ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई करते हैं 1 घंटे 2 घंटे में आपका सिंपल इक्वेशंस खत्म हो जाता है, हम आपको एटलीस्ट 4 आवर्स जो है वो आपको पढ़ाएंगे कंप्लीट सिंपल इक्वेशंस. एक भी चीज उसमें से छूटेगा नहीं, राइट? एंड इफ आई थिंक दैट समथिंग आई एम मिसिंग, I will increase the number of lectures, right? So don't worry about that. And even you can mention in the comment box that what else do you need, so that I will add in that. The next topic is ratio. Ratio, proportion and variation. Many of the students confuse in the ratio and miss mainly in ratio and the variations questions. So let us see what you will get here. So the first, the basic of the ratio, and then proportion based, like we say that two numbers are in proportion, what will be the third numbers? Or let's say we say that x is to y are in proportion, and if this is z, what will be the other number? So that it may possible that we can say that x, y and z are in continued proportion, right? So what can be values of y? Like that type of questions. The next is variation, as because I told you that variation is most important in RPB, right? So that's why I'm giving 2 lectures on variations only, right? So totally we will be discussing 40 to 45 questions, and the duration will be 4 hours. And again, minimum, I have taken the minimum durations, right? Maximum it can increase maybe 5 or 6 hours, right? But the minimum definitely that you will get is the 4 hours lectures only on ratio, proportion and variations, right? Next, percentage, profit loss and partnership. Should the questions that definitely comes from is profit and loss. Maybe the question may not be from the partnership or percentage. Basically in CAT you will not get the direct questions based on percentage. You have to apply the applications of percentage, right? So let's see. So we will be discussing percentage, right? Because for discussing profit and loss, percentage is the key point. First we have to learn the percentage, then only we can learn the profit and loss. The second is the percentage point. Now what is percentage point? Percentage, suppose we can say that something is, let's say 20% of x is what, that we can say that is the percentage. But what is percentage point? Let's say some, we can say that in 100 we have increased 20% and the values become 120. Now if I say that this time we will increase 5 percentage point more than the previous, which means that is 20 plus 5, or we will be increasing basically 25%. So we will discuss the questions based on that only, right? The next is profit and loss. As I told you that in percentage profit loss, that the profit and loss is basically the major topic, right? So that's why I'm giving 2 lectures on profit and loss especially, right? And 1 lecture on partnership. I'll be discussing all the types of questions that basically asked in the CAT or that need to be discussed to clarify the concept of the partnership, right? And the next is stock and shares, because most of the students confuses in stock and share, how to solve stock and share. So that's why I have put it 1 lecture on stock and shares also, right? So totally we will be discussing 55 to 60 questions, and that will be of the duration of 6 hours. That is also the minimum. Now let's look at the next topic, that is simple interest and compound interest, right? Very easiest. There is only one formula for the SI and compound interest, but there are so many applications of the compound interest and simple interest formula that we will learn in this chapter. So first I will be discussing is simple interest, and the second is compound interest, third is installment, because in CAT installment based questions is fixed. You might be giving the test, in that you will be facing that you are getting the installment questions, right? So I'll be discussing the such installment questions. And Suppose if I missed in simple interest, compound interest, and installments videos, that I will put in miscellaneous. Whatever I left with in that three, that I will put in miscellaneous. So total we will be discussing 40 to 45 questions, and that will be also for the 4 hours lectures. Now let's look at the next topic. That is time and work. Definitely at least two questions are coming in CAT from time and work. At least two questions. Definitely. Right. So let's see what we'll be learning here. So question based on 2 or 3%. Right. Let's say that we can say A and B are working, or we can say that A, B, and C are working. So the question on that, A is doing in some time, B is doing in some time, C is doing in some. How they will, if they work, how will the work will completed in how many days? Like that type of questions, right? The second is alternate days. Let's say maybe there are persons are 2 or 3. One is working, A is working on first, B is second, C is third. So in how many days the work will be completed? Like that type of questions. The third is group of people. Like we say na, there are 25 women and 20 men. 20 men and 25 women can do in, let's say, 10 days. And we say that suppose if the men is 10 and the women is 30, then we do this is 8 days. So in how many days, let's say, 10 men and 11 women can do? This is such type of questions. Or maybe let's say 300 peoples are working for one job, they did some part of job and then left. How much more men will be required? That type of questions we will be discussing in group of people. Now pipe and cisterns, there might be the questions based on the pipe and cisterns, leakage based questions. A pipe is filling empty, that type of questions. And suppose if we missed any questions in these four, then that type of questions I will put in miscellaneous, right? So that no such type of questions will be left in time and work, right? So total we will be discussing approximately 50 questions, and that will be a 4 to 5 hours lectures, right? If we need, we'll increase that time. I'm mentioning from the beginning on also. The next and the most important topic is TSD in arithmetic. So first we'll learn the TSD basic, that is the formula of the TSD, that we say that the distance is equals to speed into time, that we will learn. So the various questions on the basic TSD, right? And the next will be average speed, how to calculate the average speed, right? Then the question will be based on relative speed. Let's say one car is coming from the this end, other is coming from the other end, both are maybe in the same direction or in opposite direction, that type of questions. It could be the person, bicycle, motorcycle, or car, whatever. And especially I will be creating one lecture on train only, right? There will be question based on train only. Fifth one will be boat and stream. Next will be escalator, wind, etc. related questions. Next will be linear race, circular race, and the last one is clock. Right. So approximately I will be discussing 80 to 90 questions in TSD. Right. I think that this would go to 100 questions also. That I will discuss, and I don't think that anybody will discuss 100 questions only on one topic, which is time, speed, and distance. So I will be taking each and every type of questions in TSD, right? And the total duration of this lectures will be 9 hours, right? You, yes, this is unbelievable, but I am giving 9 hours lectures for this particular topic because I know that there are at least 2 to 3 questions coming in CAT from TSD only, and lots of people are getting confused, right? Basic type of questions they do, they can do average speed, but they miss here in the relative speed. Sometimes in train related questions they also miss such type of questions, and in circular race also that I faced, that the students are facing problem. And clock, the difficult questions of clock also, right? So I will be covering all the such type of questions so that you will face no difficulty, right? Now let's look at the last topic of arithmetic, that is average, mixture and alligation. What we'll get here is average, how to calculate the average of the various numbers. Second is mixers, question based on mixers. And the third is question based on mixer and alligation, how we can solve the questions based on mixers using alligation method. Alligation is nothing but a method to solve the question of mixer in easier way, right? And suppose if we left, so we will be discussing the miscellaneous two lectures. Why I have given miscellaneous two lectures? Because as we know, there are a lot of questions we are getting from mixers. So that's why all the miscellaneous type of questions from mixers I have put it here in miscellaneous, and that will be some from averages also. The difficult one that I will be discussing in miscellaneous. So total we will discussing 50 questions, and that will be of 5 hours lectures minimum. If we require more, we can extend it to 6 to 7 hours also, right? So guys, ये भी टाइम है, सही समय है। मैं कल से जो है वो 1 by 1 वीडियोस जो है वो अपलोड करना चालू करूंगा। इतने दिन से मैं वीडियोस नहीं बना रहा था, उसके पीछे का रीजन यही था, मैं सोच रहा था कि एक सिस्टमेटिक वे में पढ़ाई होना चाहिए, सो दैट आपको सारा चीज एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिल सके, जितना कुछ है, और वो कैट के एग्जाम से पहले, ताकि आपका कैट का एग्जाम हैम्पर नहीं हो। ठीक है, लॉकडाउन में बहुत सारे लोगों को पढ़ाई करने में दिक्कत हो रही है, आई नो। ठीक है, सो दैट्स व्हाई मैंने इसको इन डिटेल रखा है, सो दैट एक भी चीज किसी भी टॉपिक का आपका मिस नहीं होने सके। ठीक है, सो कीप इन माइंड, पूरा अरिथमेटिक कवर करूंगा, एक भी चीज आप लोगों का नहीं छोड़ूंगा। एज आई टोल्ड यू, एक भी चीज आप लोगों का नहीं छोड़ूंगा। ठीक है, अगेन मैं वो आपको लेके आया हूं, क्या आपको मिलेगा। ठीक है, सो गाइज ये सही समय है, जितने भी आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं उन सबको बोलिए, उन सबके साथ ये वीडियो शेयर कीजिए, उनको भी बताइए कि क्या से क्या मिलने वाला है। और अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ 36 to 37 आवर्स लेक्चर्स, इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये आपको मैक्सिमम 45 to 50 डेज में ये मैं पूरा पढ़ाने वाला हूँ। मैक्सिमम दैट आई टोल्ड यू, दैट मीन्स व्हाट, 50 डेज से एक्सटेंड नहीं करेगा। कल आपका 15th ऑफ जुलाई है, 15th ऑफ जुलाई से आपको पहला वीडियो मिलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, राइट? एंड अगस्त एंड होते होते 31st ऑफ अगस्त होते होते आपका पूरा अरिथमेटिक मैं कवर कर दूंगा विद डाउट। विद डाउट मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूं? बिकॉज टेलीग्राम का एक हमारा चैनल है, उसका लिंक भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में बिलो जो है वो मेंशन कर दिया हूं। आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जो टेलीग्राम का लिंक है उसको क्लिक करके उस लिंक को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। सो जो भी आपका डाउट होगा वो पूरा कंप्लीट, दैट मीन्स व्हाट, पढ़ाना, डाउट क्लियर करना, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग आपको इन डिटेल मिलेगा, एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। और इससे ज्यादा आपको क्या चाहिए, राइट? जल्दी से जल्दी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, सबके साथ शेयर कीजिए, उनको बोलिए कि आज के आज सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को। ठीक है, सो दैट कल से जो हमारा वीडियो आएगा उसको वो मिस नहीं करे, राइट? थैंक यू वेरी मच। मैक्सिमम शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और अपने दोस्तों के साथ बैठिए, पढ़िए, एंजॉय कीजिए। थैंक यू।